Getting the TeamViewer connection timed out error can be really frustrating, especially when you need remote access quickly. So, in this quick guide, I'll walk you through several simple fixes that usually solve the problem in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, try restarting TeamViewer on both computers. Yeah, it sounds simple, but temporary connection glitches are actually one of the most common reasons for this error. Just close TeamViewer completely, reopen it on both devices, and try connecting again. Next, make sure both devices have a stable internet connection. If one device has weak Wi-Fi or network interruptions, TeamViewer may fail to establish the remote session. Try switching networks or restarting your router if the connection looks unstable. Another common fix is updating TeamViewer. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues between the two devices. So, open TeamViewer, go to the Help menu, and check for updates. If the error still appears, your firewall or antivirus might be blocking the connection. You'll want to allow TeamViewer through your firewall settings so it can communicate with the remote device. And if none of those fixes work, try doing a clean reinstall of TeamViewer. Sometimes corrupted files or old configuration data can prevent connections from starting properly. Just uninstall the program, download the latest version, and install it again. Quick tip: if you see messages like connection blocked after timeout, TeamViewer might think you're using it for commercial purposes. In that case, you may need to submit a request to TeamViewer support to reset the restriction, and that's it. One of these fixes usually solves the TeamViewer connection timeout issue pretty quickly. If this helped, yeah, feel free to drop a like and check the channel for more quick tech fixes.